I'm inviting everyone to come. Please visit us here at Yung Big Burger SM City Cebu, where we cook your favorite burgers with bold flavors. Thank you so much.
So hi guys, we're back here at SM City Cebu because we're gonna check out the new store today. And ano yung Big Burger ang nga niya. It's a Cebu's first ever na chicken plus beef in one burger. Yung Big Burger by Burger Rice Meals and Fries of money ng mga produkto by. They specialize in burgers and money itong kanin na TV burger. That's the signature burger. And yung Big Burger is a double stopper. That's yung mga double. And of course, one ng mushrooms. Single flavors. And of course, mga handled rice. Not in the stay rice. It's the white one. Or chicken soup. And burgers like laban nila tayo. Muna. And muna na kung paano rin siyang Big Burger. How? Chicken sketched rice, rice. So that's okay. Crinkle french fries. So in a bit, ito na yung karton. So one chibi burger is chicken and beef in one burger. So makuna na the only chicken and beef burger, chibi burger recipe. So dato tayo. 359. I don't know. Mm. Bala. Barbecue fries. Pila ka second na to, ma'am. Nakalindot niya ng cheese. Meron si mga veggies. It's a complete meal. Swerte na lang kay wako na niud to timing kayo. Which is tamang-tama. Mabusog kita. So you have two kinds of meat. You have chicken and beef. Mm. 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 Laban kayo. So if you want to try it out, Yung Big Burger is located here at SM City Cebu. Dito lang yun sa lower ground floor. That's a supermarket. And wala, you serve burgers, fries naman nun. They have fries, nuggets, and they have rice meals. If ever you're, di ba, ganahan mo mag-rice. Want something heavier? Laban kayo. And of course, happy na ako mahurot, but halfway there, na. Laban yun tayo. Although kung i-give akong appetite na sila magagmay na servings ka ng normal na burger, ako guys, mag-classic brat ako, but since it's my first time here, rather, panya na itong tilawan ng signature, ng chibi burger. So yung big in flavor, you know, big in size, of course, so, perfect for big appetites like me. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and let's support this local venture. And let me know na kung saan yung favorito rin sa Yung Big Burger. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.